If you're trying to switch from plastic to glass for food storage, this is a really good one to have. This is the 11-cup Pyrex glass food storage container, and it's a really practical size for things like leftovers, meal prep, or even storing larger portions. We use these things for everything, so we got 6 of them to have on hand, and we constantly have them on rotation in the fridge. One thing I like is that it's glass, so it doesn't hold on to smells or stains the way that plastic containers can, and it's more durable and easy to clean. The lid fits on snug, so it keeps everything contained without spilling, and it's nice that it's BPA-free too. I also like that you can use the container for multiple things. You can store food, reheat it in the microwave, use it in the freezer, and then just throw it in the dishwasher when you're done. Pyrex glass is known for being durable and resistant to stains and odors, so it holds up really well with regular use. It's also stackable with other containers, which helps keep everything a little more organized if you have a few of them. If you're looking for a simple, reliable glass container for everyday use, this has been a really solid one to have in the kitchen.